Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yani Mulyana. My ID is 64241823. I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University of Cengkareng. In this video, I wanna tell you my opinion about smoking in campus area. As we know, campus is a place of learning for students, not only students, but on campus there are also lecture and other stuff. Therefore, the theme I took for this topic is Going Smoke-Free, University Staff and Student Qualitative View about Smoking on Campus during the implementation of a smoke-free policy. The objective, this research explored the qualitative view of university staff and students about smoking on campus during the implementation of a smoke-free policy. Smoking behavior in Indonesia is still high. Health warning from room cigarette smoke is 50% of surface of cigarette packs, but Indonesia is still a country with cigarette smoke in ASEAN at 40%. The level of active smoking in Indonesia is very high, especially teenagers. The large number of teenagers who become smokers is due to the environment and also the lack of education for the public about the dangers of smoking for health. Okay, now I want to show you some pictures that show the level of smoking in Indonesia. Okay, that's an example of the picture that I got from the internet. Conclusion, overall, participants' view about smoking on campus during the implementation of a smoke-free policy suggests broad agreement, but reflect concern about enforcement, boundaries, non-smoker, and designated area, consistent and systematic process for implementation, maintenance, and enforcement of policy goals, and casetion support is needed to create a non-smoking culture on university campus. There is 5 inductive themes emerge about smoking on campus during the implementation of a smoke-free policy. The first, the watering down of the policy if it's not enforced. The second, the creation of the hotspot on campus boundaries affecting those who pass by. The third, concern, especially by those who don't smoke, about the impact on smokers' emotional health and welfare. The fourth, disagreement about the value of designated smoking areas. And the last, the five, suggestion about how to better implement the policy. But, arguments again, smoke-free policy suggests there are not widely support, are difficult to implement and result in negative impact, such as lost revenue, displacement of smoking from public space into the home, and increased stigmatization of smokers. However, there is significant body of literature which demonstrates smoke-free legislation and policy result in smoking-related health improvement. International research has demonstrated smoke-free legislation and policy result in significant reduction in smoking rates. In my opinion, in this case, many people have actually implemented it, but I think there are still a few students who still violate it. Even though they don't smoke in campus area, there are very many students who smoke in public area. Even though smoking is not a crime, it will be better for us to avoid cigarettes because if we don't love ourselves and look after our own health, who will? Let's educate more people around us to stop smoking. Okay, maybe enough from me. I hope with this opinion, the public, especially pupils and students, can make wise decision by not smoking in campus or school areas. Let's love ourselves by not smoking. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. I'm sorry if there are some mistake on my part. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.